everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a fun little break today. We're going to do the 2018 Panini Football Fat Packs. There are 12 packs in this box and 20 cards per pack. This is not a super high-end product. I got this on sale. It should be fun. Basically, I'm going to be looking for rookies and some of the top rookies, of course, and hopefully like parallel versions of those. That would be the only thing to really make this box like outstanding. I've opened, I was trying to remember what I've opened of this. I know I've opened Blaster. I don't know if I've opened any of these packs in particular. Let me look at them and see if memory comes back. Maybe. Surely I maybe did. It looks a little bit familiar, and it says look for the exclusive Bronze Knight parallels. I remember having some blue parallels, not bronze. So I don't know. Anyways, we're looking for Saquon, we're looking for Baker Mayfield, we're looking for other rookies and stars. Let's get into this. And then let's see what we see. Alright. That's weird. Hang on. Huh. Oh yeah, the rook. I was like, the back card is textured, and now I remember the rookies are the only textured. I don't think I'm going to read. This is going to be too long a break if I read all the names, so I'm just going to go through the cards and we'll just look at them together and stop on the inserts and parallels, but I'll still show you the cards anyway. Okay, there's one. There's a bronze parallel. I haven't opened this. I don't remember any of these. It's really tough to see what that is in bronze. So it's Eli, and a bronze Brandon Williams, Jordan Howard highlight reel, Greg Zierlein all pro, and a rookie Jordan Whitehead. So looks like that's what we'll be expecting out of each of the packs. One rookie, maybe more than one, definitely one, a couple of the bronze parallels, and a couple of inserts. The photography on these, it's thin stock card, but it's still not too bad. Julius Peppers and Matt Breida are the two parallels. Fournette, Lightspeed, franchise leaders, LaDainian, and a rookie of Jaleel Scott. For such a big pack of 20 cards, one rookie per pack kind of surprises and disappoints, honestly. A little bit let down by that. You don't want it to be them to be so plentiful that they have no value. But these are lower tier cards anyway, so they're not going to be super valuable. So, I mean, you think you could go with two. Tevin Coleman, there's the first rookie bronze parallel. It's Justin Reed. Pillars of Excellence, Zeke, Tavon Austin, Lightspeed, and a Deion Kane rookie. So, with only one guaranteed rookie per pack, could very well make it through this box without a Saquon or Baker. Faux show. There's Aaron Rodgers, Teddy Bridgewater, who's been passed around throughout the NFL, Mariota, Gurley, a silver Andy Janovich, and bronze, and Hunter Henry. Champions, Jared Goff, highlight reel, Le'Veon, and a JT Barrett little Ohio State rookie. Von Miller, fan favorite. Jabril Peppers. Trubisky, who I really like. I like the Bears right now. I like a lot of their players. You know, I told you, since we don't have an NFL team here, I'm free to like whoever I want. And that's what I do. Josh Norman, a Mark Walton bronze rookie. Fournette, highlight reel. All-Pro Tom Brady, and a Rashad Penny rookie. So I just kind of float around liking who I want to like based on the players they have at any given time. If I like a lot of the players, well, then I like the team. I'm going to be rooting for the Browns a lot this year. I love an underdog. I wouldn't exactly call them an underdog this season, though. They are loaded with talent. Pierre Paul, Sue, a Rex Burkhead parallel. Harrison, Hassan Reddick. Earl Thomas, Pillars of Excellence. Odell Beckham, Lightspeed, and a Orlando Brown rookie. I wonder how big there's Dak Prescott. I wonder how big the rookie checklist actually is for this, because if it's substantial as I think it might be, then one rookie per pack definitely makes it tough to get any of the better players. Alright, bronze Khalil Mack and a bronze rookie Bo Scarborough. Franchise leaders, Matt Ryan. Pillars of Excellence, Kuechly, and a Richie James rookie. Because some of these rookie names are like definitely lower tier, so that tells me there's probably a lot of them. This video is already running long, so I think we're gonna go a little bit faster through the base cards and get to the goodies. Alright, TJ Green, Connor Williams, bronze rookie. Champions, Deshaun Watson, Kamara, highlight reel, Hayden Hurst, rookie. Yeah. 4 packs left. Definitely not as exciting a break as I hoped it would be. They're kind of skimpy on the goodies in these fat packs, but again, that's okay. If stuff's too plentiful like they do with Score, then really nothing has much value, because I mean every Score pack like this has what, like 10 inserts or something crazy. Nick Foles, bronze. Carlos Dunlap, Lightspeed, AJ Green. Franchise leaders, Bruce Smith, and a rookie card of Bradley Chubb. So far, not 8. There's Mahomes, not a single major rookie to speak of. We're quickly running out of packs. Bronze, Eddie Jackson. Oh, there we go. A bronze Sam Darnold rookie. There we go. Not only did we get a name, we got the bronze. Kareem Hunt, highlight reel. Aaron Donald, All-Pro, and a Dante Pettis rookie. That was the best pack so far. Faux show. Scoot on to the back of this. Oh, nice. Dak Prescott bronze and Deshaun Jackson bronze. Franchise leaders Fitz. Pillars of Excellence, Khalil Mack and Marcel Aitman rookie card. Last pack. Carson Wentz, Beckham, J.J. Nelson, Fournette, bronze, Leonard Williams, bronze rookie, Arden Key, Deshaun Jackson, light speed, all pro, Tard. I'm sorry, Todd. Didn't mean to call you that. Todd Gurley and a Nick Chubb rookie. That's not bad. Not a bad way to go out. Alright, that's it. One fat pack box of 2018 Panini. Not super exciting, but fun enough. Those boxes are really super affordable, so if you're just looking for a fun break, check those out for sure. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. If you would like to, please subscribe, and that's it. I'm out.